What is a fulfilled life according to Jesus? A fulfilled life according to Jesus is one lived in harmony with God's will and purpose. Jesus teaches that true fulfillment comes not from material possessions or worldly success, but from a deep and abiding relationship with God. He emphasizes the importance of love, service, and spiritual growth. Here are some key principles from Jesus' teachings on a fulfilled life. One, love God and others. Jesus commands us to love God with all our heart, soul, and mind, and to love our neighbors as ourselves. This love is the foundation of a fulfilled life. Number 2, follow God's will. Jesus teaches that true happiness comes from doing God's will. This involves seeking to understand and follow God's plan for our lives. 3, serve others. Jesus emphasizes the importance of serving others. By serving others, we are fulfilling God's command to love our neighbors and are also finding fulfillment ourselves. 4, seek spiritual growth. Jesus encourages us to seek spiritual growth through study of the Bible and fellowship with other believers. This growth helps us to become more like Jesus and to live a more fulfilling life. Ultimately, a fulfilled life according to Jesus is one characterized by love, service, and a deep connection with God. By following this principle, we can find the joy, peace, and meaning in our lives.